I'm back.
She's back from Florida, and this is our first vlog from the new house.
We are installing an exhaust in the driveway.
Oh yeah. If you guys remember, I uninstalled the exhaust on this Nissan Z at Chris's house, and now we're gonna install a new one from AAM Competition. Super excited because I've been driving around without the mufflers for the last month. Yeah.
Doesn't sound terrible, but I'm excited to hear this.
Let's dive right in.
Let's do it.
As some of you may recall, Christina bought a new house. And so we are coming to you live from the new crib. Amongst one of these boxes is my exhaust. Any guesses? Any guesses? Obviously the biggest one. That is labeled AAM Competition, except upside down. Here we go. It is, I believe, a axle back exhaust. Obviously, if it was a cat back, it would be much larger. Oh, here's a toolkit right here. Christina just brought out the other one. These are our little mobile toolkits. All right, you ready to get this thing put on?
Yep.
The garage is pretty much a mess because we just had the interior painted on the house. So everything is in the garage. As you guys see, Christina bought back her first 350Z, actually her first car ever. But if you see all the way over there in the corner is the original muffler to the Z. Now, this thing is, well, it does too good of a job. The car sounds like a vacuum. So that's why we're gonna be putting on the new mufflers or tips, I believe, from AAM. But you can see we have the Project 102 car here. We have the new Nissan Z here. You guys remember the previous AAM install? It was this tune right here with this ECU Tech chip. So I can basically tune my car on my phone whenever I want. And it's even cooler because I can change the maps on the steering wheel, so I can go through the burble tune, low boost, high boost, switch through all that while I am driving. I am absolutely in love with that tune, so I have a lot of faith in the exhaust.
The exhaust tips.
The mufflers.
The mufflers.
Why is there four tips?
Uh-oh.
No, there are.
How's that gonna work? Hold up. Okay, that's not gonna work. Hate to break it to you.
Oh, you know, I think they sent two different types of tips.
Oh, that's nice. That's nice.
Hold on.
That's nice of them. So we got a polished one. We probably have a brushed one.
So I did ask for a polished one, or for like a chrome, just like not really chrome, but so it would match the wheels and the katana.
But I think this one's gonna go well because that's like a matte brushed one. It looks like it's brushed.
Is it, or is it their carbon fiber tips?
Wait, what? Are you serious?
I don't know.
That would be insane. Oh,
whoa.
That's insane.
Dog, these are so clean.
That's so cool. Wait, are they gonna fit? Let's just check if they fit through the diffuser, like.
Oh yeah, that fits really well.
That's so crazy.
And they look really good. Okay, you know what? Hey, they did recommend these too. They were like, we do recommend our carbon tips. I was like, it's okay. You guys don't have to do all that. Like, I just want the standard silver tip, dude.
That is so good.
I see why they recommend these.
That is so good.
Oh my gosh. Wow.
So nice.
Then we have clamps and a box of bolts and gaskets and a sticker. And then last but not least, we have the mufflers.
Any day now.
Bro, I'm trying.
Did they include gaskets?
Yeah, they're in there. Alright, so there is the unboxing, you guys. Now, in order to take the muffler off in the first place, I had to actually remove the exhaust hanger assembly as a whole. I couldn't just remove the exhaust from the exhaust hanger, so I need to go find where that is. I don't know if it's still connected to the muffler or if it's in a bag in my trunk. What are you doing?
I'm just happy to be back home.
We're happy that you are back home.
My daily mail checking walk.
My daily mail checking walk. Why should you walk like that, bro? What the heck? Let's look through all of this stuff here and see. It's very messy. I know, don't judge me. My life is a mess right now. Here. And there's no hanger assembly, just the original gaskets and bolts. So I'm gonna leave that in there. That means that it's, oh, okay. What the hell? So, okay, I'm gonna go check the muffler inside of the garage. I have no clue how I'm gonna get back there. I'm gonna try to slide through here, maybe. Oh boy. There we are. Yes, the hangers are on here, so hard to see. Obviously, this is welded onto the muffler, but I think I'm supposed to remove this part. When I took off the muffler, you guys, I took off the actual hanger assembly here. just because you could see here there's a little nipple kind of right there that prevents the hanger from sliding over it. But I'm going to have to kind of maneuver my way to, because we need to remove these hangers and reuse them for the new exhaust. So I'm going to have to slide these out, then we're going to connect these up to the new exhaust, and then we're going to bolt it on, just like that. I got the hanger off, is labeled R for right side. This is the right side of the exhaust, meaning the passenger side of the vehicle, and this is the new right side that we're going to be replacing it with. So ultimately that's what it's going to kind of sit like. Basically this piece right here is just a small little resonator. It's not really a muffler. It's not even an echo chamber. So it's going to be pretty straightforward to install. Literally just going to slide on the new part. Literally just bolt it right up. So yeah, now we're basically ready to go install this on the car. They did come with gaskets, but I'm going to reuse the OEM gaskets just because there's nothing wrong with them. We're going to get under there, put her on real quick. Yeah, I put the hanger on kind of backwards. I need to flip it this way. So here's what we're looking at. This is the left side, here is the right side. We kind of have this connected. I actually got to put the gasket on first, but then coming around, the hanger is going to be right here. So this is kind of how it's looking. I'm really trying to give you guys the best view possible. Pretty straightforward install. I'm just going to reinstall the bolts, the 3 bolts here to keep the hanger assembly held up, and then just the 2 bolts to keep the exhaust mounted to the mid pipe. And then we'll be done. Guys, now we are just, this is an ugly view. Now we're just tightening up everything, and then we're gonna repeat the process on the other side. Okay, so now the moment of truth. This is the decision that dictates everything. Are we gonna put on the silver tips or the carbon fiber tips?
Oh, that's hard. I think
which have silver inside of them.
So crazy if you got these tips like burnt, because this isn't titanium.
They do have.
Is it
they have burnt
tips.
Oh,
really?
I didn't want
that
them.
That would match your wrap though. So
no, you think so?
I don't know.
Burnt tips are like blue.
Yeah, blue, purple.
Guys, you guys can see here, I connected up the exhaust hanger and everything, and this is what it looks like. It's nowhere near fitting. Like it literally, it does not even come close. So what I ended up doing was I took 2 washers and put it in between the exhaust hanger. I did that right here on the inside, on the opposite end of this. I put 2 washers, and that was able to give it enough clearance. So this is what it looks like with the silver tips. It actually looks really good with the silver tips. Let's put the carbon tips on that side and see how they compare. Got the exhaust on. What I'm gonna do right now, we're gonna dictate which exhaust, oh no, that flew away. Which tips we like the most. So do we like the carbon with the steel inlays or the standard steel tips? I don't know, you guys. Let us know in the comments. Like, I'm being genuine here. I actually am kind of indecisive. What? What's wrong? What's wrong?
Nothing.
As you guys both flip your hair at the exact same time. Let us know in the comments which one you guys think looks better, and then I'll go ahead and swap it out on whichever gets the most votes. So
yeah, let's do it.
Sweet.
I'm voting for, there's already 1 vote for carbon fiber tips. So. 2.
Two for carbon, and I'm kind of leaning towards steel, but I don't know.
Look
I love them
mean
both.
It just looks so much more
like
better.
It looks mean.
It complements the diffuser a lot better.
I agree. That is very true. All right, let us know. But now it's time to hear the before and after of the new exhaust. Now I know a lot of this is because the exhaust isn't coming out of the middle of the car anymore. It's coming out the back. But the idle sounds a lot more volumized. It sounds like it has a deeper, bassier tone to it. But I took the tips off just so we wouldn't get that rattle sound, since I can't decide which tip yet. So we're gonna hear it without any exhaust tips. Not like that's really gonna make much of a difference. But right now I'm waiting for the engine to warm up, and then we're gonna get some reps in.
Oh wait, I wasn't recording.
Dead ass?
I'm kidding.
It's like, bro.
So bad. So bad. so good.
Dude, I love it.
That's so good.
That's amazing. Ooh, got a little wet back here.
Got the camera.
Well, we have met like 3 of the new neighbors today. So sorry you guys for doing all that, but it's something they're gonna have to get used to. We're gonna be doing this like every other day.
For real.
So yeah, you guys drop down below in the comments which tips I should go with. On that note,
I'm going to Italy in 2-3 days, but before that I have a Shell and Ferrari event I have to go to. So excited. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for that. Thank you guys for watching.
We'll catch you next time.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.